Hey everyone, it's Mr. Calwain from Calwain Health TV. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more awesome parenting tips and tricks. Today, I'm diving into some of the most mind-blowing baby hacks for the 21st century. As a new parent myself, I know just how overwhelming it can be to navigate the chaos of parenting. From sleepless nights to feeding struggles, it's a lot. But what if I told you there are some clever little hacks that can make your life a whole lot easier? Well, today we're going to put them to the test. We'll be exploring some ingenious tips and tricks that promise to simplify your life with a newborn. So stick around, because these hacks might just change your parenting game forever. Let's kick things off with sleep, because let's be real, who couldn't use more of it? Especially new parents who are navigating the exhausting world of newborn care. One of the biggest challenges new parents face is sleep deprivation. The constant cycle of feeding, changing and soothing can leave you feeling like a zombie. Those first few months can feel like an endless cycle of feeding, changing and soothing a wide-awake baby. It's a tough phase, but remember, you're not alone. But don't despair, there's hope. There are strategies that can help you and your baby get more rest. This Swaddle and Shush method might just be the game changer you need. It's a simple yet effective technique that can make a world of difference. It's a technique rooted in recreating the comforting feeling of the womb, and it's surprisingly effective. Babies feel secure and comforted, which helps them sleep better. All you need to do is wrap your baby snugly in a swaddle. This helps them feel safe and secure, much like they did in the womb. Now, I'm not talking about a loose wrap here. We want them to feel secure and held. A snug swaddle can make all the difference. Think of it like a gentle hug. This gentle pressure can be incredibly soothing for your little one. This feeling of being snuggled and secure can be incredibly soothing for newborns. It helps them relax and drift off to sleep more easily. Next, you're going to introduce some calming white noise. This can be a game changer for creating a peaceful sleep environment. You can use a white noise machine, a fan, or even just your own voice to gently shush them. The sound helps mask other noises that might startle them awake. The key here is to create a consistent, soothing sound that mimics what they were used to hearing in the womb. This familiar noise can be very comforting. The combination of feeling secure and the calming noise often helps babies drift off to sleep faster and stay asleep longer. It's a powerful duo. It's like magic, but it's really just science. Understanding and recreating the conditions that comforted them in the womb can work wonders. I tried this with my little one, and let me tell you, it's a lifesaver. The difference in our sleep quality was night and day. We went from endless nights of rocking and shushing to actually getting some decent shut-eye. It was a total game changer for our family, and the best part is, it's a gentle and natural way to help your baby sleep soundly. No harsh methods, just a loving, comforting approach that works. Next up, let's tackle feeding. Whether you're breastfeeding or bottle feeding, mealtime can be a real struggle, especially if your baby is having trouble latching. It can be incredibly frustrating for both you and your little one. But don't worry, I've got a simple hack that uses a common household item, a towel. That's right, a simple towel can make all the difference when it comes to achieving a comfortable and effective latch. Here's how it works. Gently roll up a small towel. You don't want it too thick, just enough to create a slight incline. Place it under your breast or the bottle to lift it slightly. This elevation can make a world of difference. This little trick helps your baby get a better latch by bringing them closer to you and improving their positioning. It can also help to reduce air swallowing, which can lead to gas and discomfort. This little trick has been a game changer for many parents, including myself. It's amazing how such a simple adjustment can make such a big difference in your feeding experience. Remember, feeding should be an enjoyable, bonding experience for both you and your baby. Don't hesitate to experiment with different positions and techniques to find what works best for you. All right, let's talk organization. If you've ever found yourself digging through a messy diaper bag in a moment of panic, this next hack is for you. We've all been there, right? That moment when you realize you can't find what you need and the clock is ticking, that frantic search for a pacifier or a clean diaper while your baby's having a meltdown. It's not pretty. The stress levels skyrocket and it feels like the world is closing in on you. But fear not, there's a better way. Imagine a world where everything has its place and you can find what you need in seconds. It's called the 5S system, and it's about to revolutionize your diaper bag game. This system is designed to bring order to the chaos and make your outings smoother and more enjoyable. This system is all about creating order out of chaos and ensuring that you're always prepared, no matter what the day throws your way. It's a game changer for parents who want to stay organized and stress-free. Here's how it works. You organize your diaper bag into 5 essential categories: snacks, spare clothes, sanitizing wipes, supplies, like diapers and wipes, and safety items, like a small first aid kit. Each category has its own designated space, making it easy to find what you need quickly. Think of it like this. Snacks are crucial for keeping those little tummies happy on the go. Whether it's a long car ride or a quick trip to the park, having snacks on hand can be a lifesaver. Spare clothes are a must-have for any unexpected messes or diaper blowouts. You never know when an accident might happen, so it's always best to be prepared with a change of clothes. Sanitizing wipes are your best friend when it comes to keeping those little hands germ-free. They're perfect for quick cleanups and ensuring your baby stays healthy. Supplies are the backbone of your diaper bag. Diapers, wipes, and anything else you need for those frequent diaper changes. Having these essentials organized means you can handle any situation with ease. And finally, safety items like a small first aid kit are essential for those little bumps and bruises that come with the territory of being a curious little explorer. A well-stocked first aid kit can give you peace of mind. By keeping these essentials neatly packed and in designated pockets, you'll never be caught off guard again. Everything has its place and you can find what you need in a flash. No more frantic rummaging, no more unnecessary stress, just pure, organized bliss. Imagine the relief of knowing exactly where everything is, even in the most chaotic moments. I tried this out, and let me tell you, it's a total stress reliever. The difference it makes is incredible. You feel more in control and ready to tackle any challenge. It's amazing how much calmer you feel when you know exactly where everything is in your diaper bag. The 5SA system truly transforms your outings, making them more enjoyable and less stressful for both you and your baby. Now, this next hack really takes the cake, or should I say the diaper. Setting up a diaper-changing station might seem simple, but trust me, it's a game changer. It's one of those things that you don't realize you need until you have it, and then you can't imagine life without it. The idea is to create a designated area with all the diaper-changing essentials within arm's reach. Diapers, wipers, creams, and even a spare set of clothes. No more running back and forth to grab what you need. Everything is right there at your fingertips. This setup makes those 2 AM diaper changes a whole lot less stressful. You can say goodbye to those bleary-eyed stumbles in the dark, searching for diaper cream while your little one wails. But it's not just about those middle-of-the-night changes. Having a dedicated diaper changing station makes every diaper change smoother and more efficient. You'll be amazed at how much faster and easier it is when you have everything you need within arm's reach. I was blown away by how much easier this made our daily routine. It's one of those aha moments that you'll wish you'd discovered sooner. It's a simple change that can make a world of difference in your day-to-day life as a parent. Imagine this, you're in the middle of a busy day, juggling a million tasks, and suddenly it's time for a diaper change. Instead of scrambling around the house, you head straight to your well-organized station. Everything you need is right there, neatly arranged and ready to go. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the stress and chaos that often accompanies diaper changes. You can even customize your station to fit your specific needs. Some parents like to include a small toy or a mobile to keep their baby entertained during changes. Others might add a soft mat or cushion for extra comfort. The key is to make the space work for you and your baby. And let's not forget the bonding moments. With everything in place, you can focus more on interacting with your baby, making diaper changes a time for smiles and giggles rather than stress and frustration. So if you haven't set up a diaper changing station yet, now is the perfect time to do it. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So there you have it, some of the most mind-blowing baby hacks for 2024. These simple tricks have made a big impact on our daily life, and I hope they can do the same for you. From getting more sleep to staying organized, these hacks are all about making parenting just a little bit easier. But now, I want to hear from you. Which of these hacks resonated with you the most? Do you have any baby hacks of your own? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more parenting tips and tricks. I've got plenty more baby hacks and insights coming your way, so be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy parenting.